So here's how to restart or reboot your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So all you have to do is on the watch face, swipe from the bottom upwards to reveal the app menu. Then scroll down and find the settings menu. So scroll down until you find settings. Here it is. Tap on it. And then within the settings menu, scroll down again and find system. So here's system. Tap on it. And then you'll see the option reboot. So tap on reboot. And then you'll be asked, do you want to reboot now? So tap on the check mark at the bottom, the blue check mark. And your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 will reboot. You'll hear a slight vibration and then the reboot process will begin. So that's basically how to reboot the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll see you on the next one.